Hello everyone, today is day 10. I'm almost halfway done with my advent calendar. So far I have loved every single day product. Anyway, let's just jump right into day 10 here. Oh dear, I don't want to rip open day 13. It's just 10. Nice. All right, it looks like we have some floral dies. Okay, let's just see if I can get this little baggie open. Here we go. All right, so these dies are S1-107W10. And they are flowers, and ooh, these coordinate with the stamps from day 2. Let's just open those up again so you can see. So see how they coordinate? Yes. Anyway, that would be kind of fun to use both of these products together to make a project. How fun! I love these little floral dies. They're just perfect for adding a little bit of a finishing touch to a card. Just need a sentiment. Anyway, thank you for popping in to day 10. Hopefully you are enjoying the calendar just as much as I am. If you are opening these with me every day, I would love to know by letting me know in the comments. Maybe no one is. I don't know. I think it would be fun to do it with a buddy. I kind of wish that I had someone I could open it up with. So be my buddy, open it up with me, and let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and come on back for tomorrow, day number 11, that's down here. Bye!